As an executive coach and keynote speaker, I'm often asked, Brenda, what's the most popular topic clients request when it comes to leadership development? My answer? Presence, specifically executive presence. I found that executive presence is that special sauce which separates good leaders who do well from outstanding leaders who catapult to the top of their organizations. I mean, let's face it, most leaders have good enough technical skills, business acumen, and all-around smarts to achieve a certain level of success in any organization. But a powerful sense of presence, that je ne sais quoi, is often what's missing. And that's what can hold back many leaders from advancing in their careers. So what is presence? And more importantly, how do you get it? The way I like to define executive presence is a certain set of attitudes, behaviors, and skills, which when you combine them, it just sends the right signals. It influences others and ultimately drives results. Now, when you develop powerful executive presence, you automatically strengthen your leadership personal brand. In other words, the way others perceive, think, and feel about you, which is critically important to your success. Now that sounds appealing, many clients have said to me, but can executive presence really be developed? Absolutely. I mean, let's face it, no one's born with presence. It's a learned behavior that has multiple facets and is strengthened through intention and practice. So what's the essential first step in developing your own presence? It's getting clear on how well you currently fare with various aspects that make up presence. So with that in mind, I'm sharing a link to a self-assessment, it's in the description below, that highlights some fundamental facets of executive presence. And this can help you review the state of your own presence right now, both in your personal and your professional life. So take this quiz, see how well you're doing on these key facets of executive presence, and those in turn can impact your executive leadership brand. I look forward to hearing from you.